Hello, today I am going to guide you on how to create a people chart in Excel. Select the data you want to visualize. Go to the Insert tab, choose to Declustered Column Chart. Delete the default chart title and grid lines for a cleaner look. Go to Insert, select Icons, search for People. Insert the person icon, then copy and paste it to duplicate. Select one icon, change graphic fill to no fill and outline to red. For the other icon, keep it solid red or apply a graphic filter optional. Press Ctrl plus X to cut the solid red icon. Click the blue chart bar and press Ctrl plus V to paste. Repeat for the outlined icon. Cut with Ctrl plus X. Click the orange chart bar and paste. Right-click the red icon bar, choose Format Data Series. Set series overlap to 100% and gap width to 0%. In fill and line, choose Stack and Scale with. Adjust the chart values and watch the icon chart update dynamically. Now you've created a unique people icon chart in Excel, a great visual tool to impress your audience. Want more Excel tricks like this? Like and follow for more. Goodbye.